In this video, we're going to optimize our YouTube title and our description. So by default, when we upload a video, the channel adds this extension. I have this set up over here under channel, and there's upload default. So I have this little extension automatically there, and we can place something in the front of that title. And then I have the description here also by default with all of my links and calls to action. I like to leave those in there as well. And what we're going to do now is we're going to choose a title to go in front of this extension. Now I use TubeBuddy, which is an extension for Chrome and extension for YouTube, and it does some things that I really like. And one of the things it suggests is that we keep our title under 70 characters. Now, you're going to be able to fit 100, and that's okay. But I just want to let you know over here there's going to be a best practices, and it will catch you on the length of the title. And then also, it'll suggest that you put your tags that you choose in the title. I do it a little bit backwards, and I create the title, and then I make sure that those tags are added. We'll do the tags in another video. So, for example, this video is how to create... The one we just uploaded is how to create a thumbnail for our YouTube channel. Okay. Now we could actually do a little research first to figure out what we want to title this if we don't know. So what we can do is we can go down here to where it says Tag Tools, and I'm going to click on Explore, and I'm going to put in YouTube thumbnail because that's what this video is about. What I want to look for is several things. Now this is TubeBuddy. This is the extension again. If we go over here to auto, no, let's stay right here for a second. What you'll notice is it's giving you a score for these keywords, okay? Thumbnail, how to make custom thumbnails on YouTube. Now watch what happens when I click how to make custom thumbnails on YouTube. It's now going to run this little report for me and tell me if this is a good item to go after. Now here's what it tells me. The search volume is high, which is good, but the competition is very high. So it's going to be hard to rank for that keyword. Okay, it's because the competition is very high. So that's just something to keep in mind. So let's scroll down here and try thumbnail tutorial. All right, same thing. Okay, how to make a thumbnail for free. Well, that could fit too because we're using Canva. Very high. Okay, you can see how that works. So there's a lot of that. But if you go over here to auto suggested, you can actually look at what YouTube is suggesting, such as how to make a thumbnail for free 2018. How to make a thumbnail for free. Okay, so you can use their suggestions as well. I think I'm actually going to go ahead and take that one. And we're going to use that, and we'll add this to our tags on the next video. But let's go ahead and use that. Oops, what was it? How to make a thumbnail video 2018. All right. And now I'm at 55 characters, so I've got a little more room. So maybe I want to add YouTube in there. YouTube optimization, okay? Or YouTube SEO or something like that. Again, I could go back down to this Explorer, and I can go, let me see about that one. YouTube SEO. Let's see what it's suggesting here. YouTube SEO, high competition. I'm competing with Brian Dean. Okay, that's very interesting. How about, let's look at SEO tutorial. SEO video tutorial. So you got to be a little creative and kind of play with this a little bit. SEO video tutorial, better, still pretty competitive. YouTube optimization. Here we go. Look, guys. Search volume to kind of in the mid to low range. That's okay. Competition's pretty low. I like that one. We're going to go with that one. So we're going to go with YouTube optimization. Now, what I want to make sure of too is that I add these as tags down here. So I'm going to copy that, and I'm going to add this right here as a tag, and I'm going to take YouTube optimization, and I'm going to add that as a tag, and I'm going to take LoriBallen.com. I'll add that as a tag. Okay, and then we'll do how to do the rest of the tags in the next video. Now, in the description, what I like to do is once I have an article or the transcript done, I like to put in here the intro to the article or steps in the process. Here are the steps to making your thumbnail video. 1. Open Canva. 2, you know, that type of thing. Now, if we're starting with the video, we won't have that information yet, possibly. So we might have to come back in and add this optimization strategy after we have all of our pieces. Because in my case, we have a whole process. We make the video, we optimize the video, we order a transcript, and then we come back in here and we upload the transcript to make our captions. And then the transcript is sent over to our blog writers, and the blog writers then optimize. So there's lots of steps to how we do this. But this is where our focus is on this video. That is how you optimize your title and your description. If you look down here for your description, you actually have 5,000 characters. We might as well use it because they're going to pick up, YouTube's going to pick up the SEO in the description as well. So if you want to, come back here under all these links and put transcript and upload part of the transcript. Just make sure it's clean, that it uploads clean, that you're using spacing. Steps are the best steps in the process, but we don't just want to leave this blank. We want to come back after we get our article or our steps, and we want to make sure those go into there. Okay? So that's how we optimize title and description.